right? Watching a
Exactly.
game and cheering for your team.
But your emotions going up and
down. Yeah. Last night, mainly down.
It's a little
yeah,
heartbreaking.
Yeah.
Yes. But it's okay.
Yeah. So today is the first alert weather day because
Yes.
we have the chance of some storms popping up
That's
around
right.
North Texas this afternoon.
A couple important things. They will be isolated, and we're not looking at a big tornado threat or large hail threat, but there could be some very strong winds, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. For this afternoon, really, we're starting to look at activity close to maybe 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. We'll start to see a few showers develop, and then they'll start to become storms, widely scattered. We're talking 20 to 30% chance. So it's not for everybody, but it is a first alert weather day because if you do get one of them, you're looking at torrential downpours and that lightning and that possibility of downburst winds. So you notice here, it is quiet right now. This is a live view of Dallas. It is mostly sunny. Out of the risk, we're at a level 1. So the threat is relatively low for most of us. Fort Worth, Dallas points east and northeast, and it's mainly afternoon and evening. After sunset, any activity will start to settle down. It will also be hot. We're already at 90 degrees. We're heading towards 98. Yesterday, we reached 99. The day before, we haven't hit 100 degrees. And something that I find really interesting, in Boston, they hit 100 degrees consecutive 2 days over the weekend, and they haven't seen that since 1940s. So that means Boston has hit 100 this season, and we have not hit 100 degrees yet. So, but we will. We know we will. Regarding the winds, it's going to be relatively calm today, Wednesday, tomorrow. Maybe a little breezy, but really Thursday is the day that we start to see some 25 to 30 mile per hour winds. Thursday also looks like the hottest day that we have around. I think if we are going to hit 100 degrees, it will likely be on Thursday. So the timing and the threat, notice the large hail possibility is fairly low. If we see hail, it will be small hail, but it could be a lot of small hail with some of the storms. Wind damage, moderate, tornado, low, and the flooding potential. These are slow movers, and so they could cause some flash flooding. Notice we do have a frontal boundary over to the north. Right now it's quiet. We had some activity of showers and storms over to the northeast, places like Lamar County and over into Sulphur Springs. Right now the radar is quiet. We'll start to see some activity coming up 2, 3 o'clock. And really the best possibility of seeing one of these strong storms will be between 4 o'clock and 9 p.m., 30% chance. After sunset, that energy goes away, that instability. So taking it hour by hour. By 3 o'clock, notice we start to see some activity. And the difference is yesterday we had quite a few of these storms, but really not over the Metroplex. Today we could see some of those over the Metroplex and during the afternoon and evening commute. So just be aware of that, stay weather aware, make sure that you're tuned into us, especially on digital. We're always on and letting you know where these storms are. 6 o'clock, look at that. We have quite a bit of activity over us. This continues 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and then it'll start to die down. Tomorrow, we only have a 20% chance of a shower or an isolated thunderstorm, and then we start to dry out on Wednesday afternoon, evening into Thursday, Friday, and that means that we heat up. So notice tomorrow, we have only a 20% chance. We are dry and sunny Thursday and Friday. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday is when our next chance of storms comes in, and it's really Saturday night. So for today, first alert weather day, some strong storms in the afternoon and evening. Then we dry out. If we hit 100, it will be on Thursday.